Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to turn off scroll lock in Excel. You open up your Excel worksheet on your PC. On your keyboard, you locate the scroll lock key and you click on it. But if you can't find it on your keyboard, you go down to the Windows button at the bottom left hand of the screen. You click on it. In the search bar at the top, you type in on screen keyboard, as you can see here. So you click on it. So here you will see that the scroll lock key is on. It is showing a purple or a blue tick depending on whatever color appears on your keyboard. So you click on the purple key and the background will disappear to indicate that it has been turned off. So you close the keyboard and you can move your arrow keys around as you want. So thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more content. Bye and see you in the next video.